To make your video more professional, it is essential to remove noise from your video. Removing noise from video is very easy in Camtasia Studio. Here you see, we already imported a sample screen recording video. I set the marker from beginning to here. Let's play this portion of the video. What you listen, huh? If you are using headphone to listen this video, then you may recognize this room noise. To remove this noise from our whole video clip, simply click on audio effect. Here we see the noise removal audio effect. Simply drag this in your audio track. Yes, you are right. Our noise is completely removed from this video. Let's play the video again. Hello, I am Mashik Sarkar Batista and welcome to my website Online Earning King. So, in this easy way, we can remove our video noise using Camtasia Studio. Thanks for watching.